Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about a very common illness that affects millions of people every year, influenza, also known as the flu. Influenza is a viral infection that can cause a range of symptoms from mild to severe. If you are new here, we make bite-sized micro-learning videos for life sciences. What is influenza? Influenza is a respiratory illness caused by the influenza virus. It can cause a range of symptoms including fever, cough, sore throat, body aches, and fatigue. In some cases, it can also lead to more serious complications such as pneumonia. Flu myths. There are many myths and misconceptions about influenza, such as the belief that the flu vaccine can give you the flu. However, these myths are not supported by scientific evidence. It's important to consult reliable sources of information, such as the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, for accurate information about the flu. How is influenza transmitted? Influenza is highly contagious and can be transmitted through the air when an infected person coughs or sneezes. It can also be spread through contact with contaminated surfaces or objects, such as door handles or phones. Preventing influenza. One of the most effective ways to prevent influenza is to get vaccinated. The influenza vaccine is updated every year to target the specific strains of the virus that are expected to circulate. Other preventive measures include washing your hands regularly, covering your mouth and nose when you cough or sneeze, and avoiding close contact with people who are sick. Treating influenza. If you do get sick with influenza, there are several treatments available. These include antiviral medications, which can help reduce the severity of symptoms and shorten the duration of the illness. Other treatments may include over-the-counter medications for symptom relief, rest, and fluids. Types of influenza. There are several types of influenza viruses, including influenza A, B, and C. Influenza A is the most common type and is responsible for the majority of flu cases each year. Influenza B is less common and typically causes milder symptoms. Influenza C is less severe and usually only causes mild respiratory symptoms. Seasonal influenza. Influenza is often referred to as a seasonal illness because it tends to occur during the fall and winter months. This is because the virus thrives in cold, dry conditions. Each year, the influenza vaccine is updated to target the specific strains of the virus that are expected to be most prevalent during the upcoming flu season. Risk factors. Certain groups of people are at a higher risk of developing complications from influenza. These include young children, older adults, pregnant women, and people with underlying medical conditions such as asthma, diabetes, or heart disease. It's important for these individuals to take extra precautions to protect themselves from the virus. Conclusion. Influenza is a common illness that can cause a range of symptoms and potentially serious complications. By getting vaccinated and practicing good hygiene, we can help prevent the spread of the virus and protect ourselves and those around us. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos.